Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. What you're seeing right now in this clip anyways is the sole of a brand new pair of Barefoot minimalist shoes called Paluva. I've been wearing these for approximately 1 month and I'm absolutely loving them so far. They were designed mostly, I believe, for walking, to mimic the barefoot walking experience, so you get the benefits of walking in your bare feet, but you have the added protection of a sole which helps protect your feet from say sharp objects on the ground. And one thing you'll notice here is that the toes can actually separate, so they really do mimic walking in your bare feet. When you walk wearing these, each toe can move. And I've got the 1/2 pound 8'6" cross rope around my neck, and that is the rope which I'm using in the skipping rope clip that you're seeing on the footage right now. So that's how I ended my jump rope session today. So I had a pretty busy day, but before I showered, I wanted to get outside and get a little bit of sunshine before it goes down and get a jump rope workout in before showering. So I was just finishing off today's jump rope session with some triple unders. Behind me there is a 3-pound battle style heavy rope, which I used beforehand, and I'll show you that video very soon too. So between these two heavy ropes, my arms were extremely pumped up when I started doing these triple unders. And the triple unders, it's a style that I use in previous videos, or that I teach others when they're learning how to do, for example, their first triple under. Something I've talked about in previous videos, which essentially involves doing, you could do a few slow single hops first, and then afterwards you go into perhaps 1, 2, or 3 double unders. Slow double unders in the sense that you're not trying to spin the rope too quickly. Also, you're not trying to jump off that ground too high. But then when you do decide to do the triple under, when your feet land on the ground, you really explode off the ground. You really push down into the ground using the toes and balls of your feet and explode off the ground. And at the same time, you spin the rope faster. You spin the rope, making 3 rotations, spinning the rope using your wrists quite quickly. So that's a good technique to learn how to do your first triple under. Do a couple slow double unders and then explode off the ground, jump off the ground high, and try to keep your upper arms relatively relaxed. They'll probably flare from your body a little bit more than you might be accustomed to when you're just doing, say, double unders or regular jumps. But focus on spinning the rope really quickly using your wrists. When we do double unders, for example, we often get into a habit of just rotating our wrists twice, or our hand twice. But when you're doing the triple under, you really got to focus on getting that 3rd rotation around using your wrist. So you can just practice that without rope. And I'll link below down to a triple under video, which could be very helpful for you learning how to do your first triple under. In fact, I'll link down to another one too, which is where I learned how to jump properly for the triple under technique. When I was doing the triple unders that you're seeing on the screen right now, it was towards the it was at the end of a jump rope session, and I already entered this jump rope session feeling a little bit tired, but still great to get outside, do some triple unders. So my form may not have been as good as it could have been, but still always great to get outside, jump rope, and do a few triple unders. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you again soon. Oh yeah, you guys, I'd love it if you check out my jump rope related book, which is available on Amazon, called Jump Rope Johnny and the Inspiring Mr. P. If you like jumping rope and you like uplifting stories, I really think you'll enjoy it. It deals with a boy who overcame things such as a lack of self-belief, a lack of confidence, weight issues, bullying, that sort of stuff. So I really enjoyed writing it. It was a joy to write, and I really hope you enjoy reading it. I've received some good feedback already, and I really hope you guys enjoy it. All right, thanks for watching, everyone. See you in the next one.